Good afternoon. Thank you for being here and thank you for having me. My name is Allison Wood. I am CEO and co-founder of Camera IQ. Camera IQ is the first augmented reality platform for camera marketing. Our company was founded on the belief that the camera is the new start menu. What does that mean? It means that the camera will unlock the ability for the real world and the internet to live in the same time and space. Why do we believe that? Because we're already living in a camera-first world. If you look at hardware distribution, where users are spending their time on camera-first platforms, and where big tech continues to invest. In fact, there's 2.8 billion opportunities every day to engage your audience in the camera. Here's a campaign that Refinery29 launched with us 2 days ago for 29 rooms. They wanted to extend the experience of 29 rooms beyond San Francisco. 2018 is the year of the camera. What you're looking at here is smartphone penetration in the US mapped to camera-related announcements, investments, and launches. But what's crazy is only 5% of brands have invested in the camera today. Why? Because the landscape is really complicated. As a brand or agency, you're having to go directly to one of the social platforms, or you're having to build your own camera pipeline working with ARKit, ARCore, Unity, and some other great developer stacks. But as a brand, that's not what you should be spending your time on. That's where we come in. We built the first augmented reality platform that enables brand marketers to create, measure, and manage camera content across platforms. Our flagship product is called the Camera Experience Manager. We let you work with cross-functional teams, creating once and deploying into Snapchat, Facebook, soon Instagram Messenger, as well as owned cameras using one of our 4 mobile SDKs. Let's look at one of those use cases. We work with Turner. They launched with TBS for a new show called Final Space, executive produced by Conan O'Brien. They wanted a way for fans and audiences to discover and tune in, as well as co-create and turn into super fans. So here's their little character Mooncake. They created it on our platform and deployed it out to their own application, into Snapchat and into Facebook. Let's walk you through the process of how easy it really is to create something on our platform. As you log in to our Camera Experience Manager, you'll land on the dashboard. Every great marketer needs to know what's going on, what's live, what's scheduled, what's happening. But let's create. So first, I'm going to go into ARE. I'm going to select new ARE, add a name. I'm going to select a template. We call these ARE templates, augmented reality experiences. Here I'm selecting 3D. It lets me know which platforms this is going to work across. Your own camera, Facebook, and Snapchat in this case. Then I'm going to add an icon. I'm going to add an icon and select a user cue. User cue could be, as you know, raise your eyebrows, open your mouth, tap to place, etc. All of that is templatized on our platform. I then am going to add my objects, my assets. And obviously, you need to be able to visualize this. So upload a 3D file. I'm going to select my 3D file here, and immediately we'll visualize in our preview. Super important as a marketer, what is your campaign going to look like? Next, I'm going to add a frame. In this case, I want to show how the camera is branded. What show is this for? I want to convert. So now I've selected that. What's really cool is that these things can also be produced in Photoshop and Sketch. It's kind of a false assumption that you have to create all new assets for the camera. Then I'm going to select where I want it to publish, in this case, into Final Space. So let's look at what this looks live. I see it's live here, and now immediately a user's in the camera and gets a notification that something new has come through. So in this case, as a brand, you don't have to wait a month for it to be done or a week. It's instantly there, so you can react when your consumer is there. And of course, analytics. What marketer doesn't want to measure how this is performing? So we'll show you your analytics across platform as well as compare them. We work with brands across media, entertainment, live events, as well as product and retail. In conclusion, we see the camera as the next great consumption experience, the next great transaction experience, and the biggest opportunity for marketers in a decade. Just like when the internet started, you needed a landing page, and then a website, and then social happened, and you needed a Facebook page, and then an Instagram account, and a Twitter handle. The camera is the same. It is a new channel. Today, some brands will own cameras, and others will publish into them, and in time, you will all have both. So if you're interested in starting your camera strategy, please get in touch. Thank you.
Thank you, Allison. That was great.